Okay, so we're outside today. We're going to look at the layers of classification or levels of classification for an ecosystem. We're going to start out with the basic idea here, which is an organism. So if we look and we find a single plant, that is one organism, or if we were to find a bug, that would be one organism. And then after that, we look at the number of an entire species. So we have different plants around here. So if we found all the different types of this plant right here, that would be the population of that plant species. If we look under this rock right here, maybe we'll find something good. Okay, so looks like we have a worm. We have a slug. And another worm tail over there, a little worm sticking out there. Some kind of beetle in there. So each of those would be its own species. And there's a grub in there too. So we look and we say the population of the beetle is 1, population of worms is 2, population of grass would be in the hundreds in this area, and that's the beginning. And now we look at all of those species together, and that's a community of different species living together. We add in, let me put that rock back for those guys. We add in the abiotic factors, because remember, all living things are biotic. So we add in the rocks, and we add in the temperature, the soil, the air around it, and that would be an ecosystem. Abiotic and biotic factors together is the ecosystem. So this ecosystem is made up of grass, it's made up of rocks, it's made up of populations of worms, populations of grass, populations of slugs, populations of insects. Okay? And as you get bigger and bigger in an ecosystem, you have these large ecosystems that are called biomes. Really, if we wanted to think about it, it's more of a habitat when we're in this really small area, and a whole bunch of little habitats equal the larger ecosystem in this area. So this area around this rock is a habitat where these animals live and these organisms live and reproduce. Okay? So there we go. Welcome to the outdoors. I know right now a lot of you are stuck inside with the COVID-19, so hope you enjoyed that.